Does the sky always have to be blue? Why can't the grass be pink or yellow? If there are no rules in photography, then why not?
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we are going to explore an interesting genre of photography called infrared photography. A few days ago I was looking at various projects on Behance for inspiration, and I came across one project where the trees were white, the sky was peacock blue, the water was pink, and the best part was it didn't look unnatural or jarring. In fact, it looked so cool. It looked like another planet. So it really intrigued me and I started researching, and I came across this genre of photography which is called infrared photography. So what is infrared photography? The human eye can see colors in wavelengths between about 400 to 700 nanometers, meaning the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Infrared light goes beyond 700 nanometers, typically between 700 to 1200 nanometers. Uses of infrared photography. Infrared photography has a great appeal in fine art photography because it looks so surreal and otherworldly,
With trees taking on a bright white or pink hue and skies a red or peacock blue hue.
It can be used for portrait photography. Skin tones appear milky and smooth in infrared light, and veins closest to the skin appear accentuated, and eyes can look ghostly where the irises are given dark tones and the whites of the eye look very greyish, so your subject can look very ghostly. Infrared cameras can be used to photograph the stars because there are certain stars that are only visible in infrared light. Some dyes and materials do not look the same in infrared and visible light. So it can be used to spot counterfeit money, spot camouflage, see-through stills for document recovery. How to start infrared photography? You can use an IR filter. It works just like an ND filter. You can attach it in front of your lens while clicking, and you have to buy it as per your lens diameter. So it blocks visible light and only allows infrared light to enter your camera. The drawback of this can be that you have to shoot at very slow shutter speeds because it blocks light by about 10 stops. So what lenses can you use with such filters? Inexpensive lenses like kit lenses work best with IR filters because they avoid hotspots and flares. Another option is to have your DSLR converted into an infrared camera. An IR blocking filter sits in front of your DSLR sensor that is removed and replaced with one that only allows infrared light to pass. So you can use your camera normally, no long exposures, no blurry images, no fiddling with filters. But the disadvantage can be that you can only use your camera for infrared images, no normal images at all. It's costly. An IR filter by Hoya may cost you 5 to 10,000, but full DSLR is expensive. If you are into film cameras, you can use an IR film and use it with your existing SLR. but finding a photo lab that develops IR images can be a task. But what if you don't have an infrared camera or filters, and like me, you want to delve into infrared photography? Well, I can show you how you can edit your photos in Photoshop to make them look like infrared photos.
Here I am in Photoshop and I have opened my image that I want to edit in an infrared way. I do that by first duplicating this layer. I can drag this layer to this file icon here or hit Ctrl J. Then go to Image, Adjustments, Invert. Ctrl I is the shortcut. Then change my blend mode here to color. It still looks amazing, but I want to tweak it further. I can leave it like this also, it's quite cool, but I'll give it nice pink colors like an infrared image. So I will click this ball icon here and go to channel mixer. Go to red channel, red 0, blue 100. Then blue channel 100, 0. That's it, it's looking amazing. Let me bring out the pinks even more. So I will once again click this ball icon and go to hue saturation. Select reds instead of master. And see, there are so many colors that I can change this to. It does not even have to be pink. Just increase the saturation a bit so that the pinks really come out. Next I go to blues to change the color of the sky. I'll make this slightly greenish. You can give them any colors, guys, it's up to you. And that's it, my image is ready. It looks cool. It does not look like planet Earth at all. You can tweak these channel mixer and hue saturation options the way you want them to be to try out more colors and shades.
So guys, this is all I have to say regarding infrared photography, and do give it a try, guys. It is a great genre, whole new world. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what are your views regarding infrared photography. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.